Yun. So, let's try to catch some fish using extra UL setup. We have here fishing rod, so Relix Nusantara C6 742 Adjing Special. So lure weight capacity is between 0.5 to 4 grams. And then line capacity is between 0.8 to 2 pounds. Yung haba ng rod na to is 7 feet and 4 inches. Reel that we are using is Ryobi Virtus 2M 800 series. Then yung main line natin is 2 pounds from Canis and Nix Halus Spotted. And then yung leader natin is 5 pounds. Then we are using a 2 gram Tenkara jig head. Ito lang ang ginagamit natin, or ito ang gagamitin natin. So, kita ba? So let's see. Try natin manghuli. See. Hop. Yun. Uy, malakas. Uy. Makoko. Makoko nga. Uy, uy. Uy, uy. Lakas. Lakas niya. Makoko. Bendong-bendo. Uy, lakas. Grabe to ah. So, you can see. So, ayan. Makoko. Ang ganda nung yung pagkakahok niya. Sa gilid lang talaga. Ayan. So, yan siya. Talagang last strike. Kita ba? So ayan, laki din, laki-laki ang gamit natin. Alright, amazing. So babalik lang natin to, release lang. Release. Amazing.